welcome. The channel is happy to report Iraq's integration into the chairmanship position of the Group of 77 and China at the UN. Now, this is important on so many different levels and helps Iraq display itself as a major player on the global political stage. Now, the Group of 77 is a coalition of developing countries that work together to establish common negotiating positions on issues of interest to them, like finance and technology. Now, here's the deal. China is one of the members of the Group of 77, but China does not consider itself to be a member. However, China oftentimes contributes to the advancement of the program. So the name of the group is 77 and China.
In the presence of Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Mr. Fuad Hussein, Iraq's permanent mission to the United Nations in New York organized a reception to celebrate Iraq assuming the chairmanship of the Group of 77 and China. The event brought together permanent representatives of UN member states, members of the Group of 77, and senior UN officials. The primary goal of the gathering was to strengthen cooperation and solidarity among the group's member states. The ceremony began with a speech by Dr. Abbas Kadom Obaid, Iraq's representative to the United Nations. He welcomed the attendees and emphasized the importance of unity and collaboration to achieve shared goals. Dr. Obaid expressed Iraq's pride in taking on this leadership role and reaffirmed the country's commitment to working closely with all member states to fulfill the group's aspirations. Deputy Prime Minister Fuad Hussein also addressed the audience, expressing gratitude to the member states for entrusting Iraq with this significant responsibility. He highlighted that Iraq's leadership of the group reflects its dedication to advancing the collective progress of developing countries. Minister Hussein stressed the importance of addressing global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and achieving the sustainable development goals through cooperative efforts. In his remarks, Minister Hussein underscored that Iraq's presidency provides an opportunity to promote multilateralism and collective action for a better future. He emphasized that the challenges facing member states demand solidarity and a commitment to turning shared aspirations into tangible actions. The event concluded with a call for all nations to uphold the United Nations Charter and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, ensuring that no country or community is left behind. Attendees commended Iraq's efforts and dedication to fostering unity and collective action, recognizing the significance of this international leadership role. When it comes time for the World Bank, the IMF, and the West to support Iraq's economic progress, aka increase in the value of its currency, it is accomplishments like this that will help for a favorable decision.